Kayaking alone on the water. I was heading for a mysterious abandoned fortress submerged in the water. How did I get here? 2020 summer, I was on a trip to New Orleans with my roommate. And this is Bourbon Street. Quite the opposite of peacefulness. I had a great time, but I was planning on something adventurous. Very adventurous. So there I was.
Alright, so Fort Proctor, and it is a fortress back in the 19th or 20th century, I'm not sure. And then Yue right here, he's really tired, he's not coming with me today, but it's okay. I'm on my solo adventure, and I hope it's fun. It is right there, I can see it already, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna put on my life jacket. Yeah, life jacket. I'm gonna be off to my solo adventure. How fun is that? I put on the fin. Appreciate it. And I'll see you in an hour and a half. Hopefully. 加油，再见。Okay. Fort Proctor, here we go. And the adventure begins. I'm so scared. Just getting into the ocean. It's now a little bit wavy. There's some kind of waves already. I'm up for a challenge, so let's go. Alright, let's go. Fort Proctor. Right there. So Fort Proctor right there. I've been out on the water for around like I think 10 minutes because I didn't come with my friend this time. It's only one person. It's much faster to paddle a one-person kayak instead of a tandem one. I have only one seat and this is my setup basically. All right, let's go check it out. So peaceful. Fort Proctor.
The whole point has been updated. Please
Okay.
check it on the map.
That sounds like good news. Okay. Okay. Let's try it out. I was trying to find a way to kayak to the fortress, but I was having quite some trouble finding a way.
Wait, how do you go in this shit?
And then I decided to go around, and I still couldn't find a way.
Let's try another entrance. So it's right there, but that is not an entrance. Let's try something else. How to enter Fort Proctor. It's right there. I cannot find a way to go in.
In the the end, I decided I really couldn't find a way, so I have to do it the hard way.
I'm just gonna be really careful. I'm not sure if there's something that's usually done. I have no freaking clue. Got my kayak here, Fort Proctor right there. That's my plan. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm not sure if this is gonna work out, but fuck it, let's do it. Okay, you know what? It's gotta be a paddleboard at this point. I'm actually pretty scared. I've never done this before. All by myself in Louisiana. Paddleboarding. All Proctor just interesting. Now getting into the entrance. Okay. I don't think there's any way to go. More of it. I'm going.
I didn't edit this footage here because I want to show how scared I really was. Being alone in an abandoned fortress on water is not something I'm familiar with. I was scared, but that was part of the challenge for my growth.
Okay. Gotta be really careful. Okay, that's that. Look at the surroundings. I'm in the fortress that's currently flooded. Look at my foot, my feet. Over there. Oh God, I'm really scared. This has definitely got to be one of the craziest things I've ever done. Look at where I am right now. Look at where I am. Look at where I'm standing. And look at that, the surrounding, if I can show you guys. How cool is that? Yeah, I just came through that entrance and with my kayak all the way out from the open water, ocean, sea, whatever you call it. And I'm trying to find a way up there right now. Look where I'm standing. I'm actually pretty scared, don't get me wrong. My solo challenge. Let's go.
My solo challenge was scary, but I know I would definitely regret for not going if I walked away from this challenge. I'm glad I pushed myself out of my comfort zone, because this is the only way to develop personal growth. So, what's your way of developing a personal growth? Let me know by leaving me a comment down below. If you like my channel, help me grow it by clicking that like and subscribe button down below and send it to someone that will find this video helpful. It means a lot to me. I am Mentars, and I'll see you on my next adventure.